Hi, I'm Addie. In this video, we'll step you through a couple of great features that will make using ReadCloud as part of your studies or teaching easier if you're using Microsoft 365. These features allow you to access the ReadCloud bookshelf inside OneNote, where you can now stream your ebooks as well as having access to your publisher interactive resources without having to leave the OneNote app. Please remember, in order to access this feature, you need to be logged into the OneNote app as well as the ReadCloud web app. To start, you need to download the ReadCloud installer file and have it on your device. You can find this by heading to the relevant ReadCloud support page. Select the link on or under this video, or search for the ReadCloud installer file on our ReadCloud support website. Alternatively, your teacher or administrator can have it sent to you. Now open any OneNote document, go to the Insert tab, then Office Add-ins. In the pop-up box, select Upload My Add-in at the top right corner. In the next box, select Browse and find the ReadCloud installer file on your device. Then select Upload. You'll be taken back to your open document. Head to the Home tab and you'll find the ReadCloud plugin at the far right. Select it and you'll find a sidebar appears with all the ReadCloud functionality right there in your app, ready for you to use both platforms in the same place. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.